This is gonna be intense. So yeah, so now we're starting to see the ceiling with Gatling Dragon's power. Uh, yeah, man. If it starts to go down here, then I'm just gonna call it and gonna do a couple of selected battles and then I'm just gonna call it. But this is definitely gonna be a challenge for sure for this BU plus Gatling Dragon because it's gonna face Blizzard Thrasher. Yeah, and y'all already know this thing is pretty good with the stamina. So Ultimate Marble Gatling Dragon taking on Blizzard Thrasher. So it's gonna be intense. So yeah, y'all already know. Alright, so boom and boom. Alright, there it is, Blizzard Thrasher. And we already know how strong Blizzard Thrasher is. So don't get me wrong. Oh, big hit. And yo, Blizzard. Alright, taking that battle. Alright, that's one. Ultimate Gatling Break. And boom. Oh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Oh, dude, big hit. Oh, that's not getting. Ooh, but he literally just shut it down. Alright. Well, that's two already. Alright, boom. Gatling Break. Alright, big hit. Yo, big hit. Yo, shutting down those attacks. Yo, Blizzard. Yo, Blizzard ain't playing. Yo, Blizzard ain't playing. Shutting down those attacks. Alright. That's three. Alright. Boom. And go. Alright, go. Big hit. Yo, big hit. Yo, that double attack from Gatling Dragon was just not enough. Alright. Yeah, man. But if it goes down again, then I'm just gonna call it. Oh, big hit. Big hit. Blizzard Break with the question mark. And it still wasn't even going out of control with the ridges, man. Yup, I'm done, man. So it looks like we're starting to see the ceiling for the BU Plus Gatling Dragon. I think after this, I'm gonna do selected battles. So like the battles that I really want to see, like go up against this BU Plus Bay. I think this is gonna be one of the last ones, and then I'm gonna do a couple of selected ones. You know, we're already seeing the ceiling for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some selected battles for it and stuff, man. Anyways, man, but that is about it. Blizzard Thrasher taking the win over BU Plus Gatling Dragon.